Each user in WordPress has their own user profile. The information in this profile can be attached to posts and comments on Syncom's website and other WordPress sites. Your profile can have as much or as little information as you want and can be edited at any time. When you make changes to your public profile, those changes are seen immediately on the websites where your profile is displayed. I've logged into WordPress as Mary Wright. To access your profile in WordPress, you can either hover over your name in the toolbar and then click Edit My Profile, or you can access it from the dashboard. From the dashboard, it may vary a little based on your user role. In this case, we just click Profile. This opens the Profile page. What you're seeing here are the basics that were entered when the Syncom administrator set up your account. The Visual Editor option is a toggle on-off switch for the Visual Editor tab for posts. If you turn this off, you will have to enter all of your posts as HTML, so we suggest leaving this option unchecked. Next is the Admin Panel color scheme. The default is gray, but you can change it to blue if you want. Then you click the Update Profile button, and your dashboard navigation turns blue. I'm going to set it back to gray. And it's gray again. The Keyboard Shortcuts option is used more for sites that get a lot of comments. At Syncom, we do not moderate comments a lot, so you can leave this unchecked. We leave the Show toolbar when viewing site checked because the toolbar is very useful when working in WordPress. Your username was created by the Syncom administrator. You can't change it. This is how WordPress recognizes you. The first and last name fields may or may not be filled in by your administrator. Here we are going to fill in Mary's first and last names. If it's already filled in for you and there's a misspelling, this is where you'd correct it. By default, your nickname is the same as your username. You can change it here to a nickname or your full name. I'm going to add Mary's nickname. Then you can choose how you want to display your name publicly from the drop-down. In this case, we are going to choose Mary's nickname. Now, let's go to a post by Mary and update the page, and you see that her nickname appears. But if I go back and select a different name, and update the page, you can see the change on the post immediately. The email field controls your profile picture. If I hover over the name on the toolbar, my name appears, but you can see that I do not have a photo associated with my email address. WordPress uses Gravatar to associate a photo with your email address. Gravatar is a globally recognized avatar, and it allows you to upload a user profile to an online service in which different websites can pull information. The URL is en.gravatar.com. This is a free service you can use to set this up. Let me show you how this works. I've set up Mary's photo in Gravatar, but I have to use her Gravatar email address to activate it in WordPress. So when I change Mary's email address and click Update Profile, I can see the thumbnail photo here, and a slightly bigger picture here, and if I go to a post and update the page, I can see Mary's photo here as well. This will only happen if you set up your Gravatar. You can also add Syncom's website to your profile. You can add chat information for AIM, Yahoo, Google Talk, or Google Plus if you want, but these are not required. Here you can add your biographical information. This information will be displayed on all of your posts. So whatever you put here, it's public information and should be professional. Here I'll paste Mary's bio. Then we can see how this displays on a post. The next two fields allow you to change your password to something you can remember. Passwords must be at least 7 characters in length. It also has a strength indicator to help you set a more secure password. I'm going to leave Mary's password as is for now. Once you're done updating, you click the Update Profile button. And that's how you update your user profile in WordPress.